Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a product review. So recently, Mercier just came out with their honey translucent powder. So you know your girl had to cop it and try it and check it out because I'm always looking for the next best thing when it comes to makeup, you guys. I'm always looking for new makeup products. It's so many makeups out here, but I'm always looking for the best. So this is my first time actually even trying one of their products, so I'm super excited, especially for the setting powder, because you know us girls, we like to bake our faces, so this should be the perfect powder to bake the face. So before we get into the video, you guys, if you have not already yet, first and foremost, check out your girl's hair care line, my hair extension line. Make sure you guys go right now to BossyLuxe Hair. All right, and right here I'm actually going to show you guys a little piece of the website. Go right now, you guys. Subscribe to my email list, check out the hair, check out the lash, check out the hairpins and everything, and you know, support your girl. Just go ahead and support your girl. And then once you're done doing that, you guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button, that post notification, so that way you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring, okay? And let's go ahead and get into this video. You guys, so like I said, Mercier recently came out with their new honey matte translucent powder. I'm so excited, first and foremost, because it's already matte and I have oily skin. So if you have oily skin, you know us girls, we need to have some type of a matte foundation, concealer, and you know, setting powders to set everything in. But you guys, prior to that, it actually came into two shades, so a translucent and it came into a medium deep. So I was so excited when I seen honey, because I'm like, oh my gosh, honey is gonna look so flawless on the skin. It's going to leave me like a nice, like little peachy, you know, setback, or you know, tone. So to talk about this powder, let me show you guys what it actually came in and how it looked. So this is the actual container, you guys, right? Okay, so it came like this, and I'm actually going to open it up. It has Mercier on the front of it, and then when you open it up, this is how it looks, you guys. So there isn't like a little powder puff thing on the inside, unfortunately, like I thought it would be. But this is what it looks like on the inside, and I kind of want to give you guys a little bit of description of the actual product itself. So like I said, you guys, it is a matte finish, and it's supposed to last you for 16 hours. So that's amazing if it does last you for 16 hours. So pretty much, you guys, it has a weightless texture. There's no photo flashback. It's supposed to be no photo flashback, which is amazing, because if you guys have some products or some setting powders that can kind of leave you like this white residue after you're done baking, this is supposed to not do that and just leave a nice little, you know, flawless, you know, look. And also it's, you know, like I said, you guys, it comes in 3 shades already. This is one of the honey. So it says that the translucent honey sets medium skin tones with olive and golden undertones, which would be me, because I do have more of a golden undertone to my skin. And it says translucent medium deep is ideal for medium to deep skin tones, and then the translucent is perfect for fair to medium skin tones. So pretty much, you guys, if you have a medium skin tone with olive and golden undertone, this is perfect for you. So they're supposed to be no caking, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic. I'm not sure what that is, you guys, but that's what it's on there. So you guys, I'm so excited to really check this out and try this out on my face. Like, this is going to be amazing. I can tell you guys right now that I am currently using a banana powder from ColourPop, and I like ColourPop. ColourPop is a nice brand, but ultimately, you guys, the banana powder sometimes can leave like a white, like, you know, look afterwards, you know, and I don't like that. So if this one is going to give me like a nice, you know, finish, I'm here for it, sis. I'm here for it. So you guys, I'm actually going to go ahead right now, and I'm actually going to do my highlight under my eyes. I'm going to come back, and then we're going to test out this new honey, you know, setting powder. I'm so excited, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I went ahead and I set my highlight like I normally do. I just use the Morphe 425 matte concealer, you guys, if you guys are wondering what I set my how I do my highlight. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and take a peek on the inside of this setting powder. Like I said, it doesn't have a little sponge thing, so you'll have to use your own or purchase your own sponge if that's what you want. It really sucks because this actually valued for about $38, $39. So I was hoping to have like a little sponge on the, like a little powder puff thing. You guys know what I'm talking about, that they normally have on the inside of the setting powders or any of the face powders that you purchase that comes in like containers like this. So I kind of wish that was already in there, you know, because for 40 bucks, I mean, it should have been there. It really should have. So you guys, this is what it looks like. I'm just opening it up right now. And then this is the color. So I'm going to sprinkle some in the actual base, so that way you guys can actually see like how it looks without making a mess. And the color, because the color, I mean, it just looks so, it looks so rich and buttery. It just really looks really good, you guys. Like, looks really nice. Okay, so this is the color of the setting powder, you guys. Give you guys a close-up of that. I mean, mix it on my hand. The consistency, it feels really soft, you guys. It feels really soft in my hand. So that's really good. Okay, you guys, that's what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and apply this to the face, because I really am so excited and I really want to get this on my face to see and let it sit in for a little bit to see what it's going to do and brush it off. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this is my first time trying this actual product, so I don't know. But I just want to get some in the inside so that way I can use my beauty blender to apply it. And you guys, I'm making a big mess. Okay. So yeah, you guys, so I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender. Anytime that I use any type of banana powder or setting powder, I love to use a beauty blender. So what I do, you guys, is I dampen it off, make sure it's clean, and then I take a paper towel just to kind of get the excess water out of it. Then I use an actual towel and I squeeze the rest of it out of there. So that way it's damp, but it's not dripping wet to where it's going to smear or mess up my makeup. So that is the way that I add on any powder, even my translucent white powder that I put on before I apply my foundation, you guys. So that's one technique that you guys can do that will allow for your makeup to look really nice and flawless. So I learned it from Huda Beauty, so if you just wanted to know. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to use the tip of my beauty blender and I'm just going to dip it on the inside. And then I'm going to just kind of shake off any of the excess, because I don't want it to be caked on there, but we want to give it a nice little layer, a nice little coating. So you guys, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to sweep it across where I did my highlight. And already, you guys, already that looks so good. I'm going to do the other side the same way, you guys. Take a little bit and then shake off the excess and just sweep it across my eye. Wow, that looks so flawless. Like, it just looks so smooth on the face, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, and now I'm going to go up above my forehead where the T-zone, because you guys, that's just what I do. I have oily skin. And I'm going to go up on my chin, because you want to do a nice highlight. You want to highlight the areas that, you know, you want to set the foundation. You know, if you have oily skin, your face can become oily. So in order to set it and to have it just look really nice throughout the whole day, I mean, hey, you guys, this is like so smooth. It is so smooth going on. I actually like it already. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna let this sit for about probably like 3 to 5 minutes, you guys, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna sweep it all off of the face, and then we're going to finalize this video. Alright, you guys, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm actually going to use a nice bigger brush. I use this brush, you guys, to sweep off any of the excess setting powder off my face for any video, any day, every day. This is like my go-to brush, you guys. And sometimes if you want to get a bigger one, you can use a bigger one as well. This one came from Victoria's Secret, so it doesn't have a name on it. It's just a big brush. But if you have, like I said, if you have a bigger one, you can use the big one. Any brush that's will sweep it off. It's going to be nicely. So I'm actually going to go ahead right now, you guys, and I'm actually going to sweep it all off my face. And I'm going to give you guys my honest review on the actual product once I'm done. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so nice. First and foremost, you guys, the softness of the actual powder, it feels so amazing on the skin. Secondly, just look at how it actually gave me a nice little highlight on my face, on my chin, under my eyes and everything. A lot of setting powders, you guys, can give you like this. It can oxidize into your actual foundation, in which a lot of times if you're trying to do a highlight, you don't want that. You don't want it to oxidize, you know, into your actual foundation, you know, because you want that nice glow. You want that, like, you know, no snapback, you know, when you take pictures, stuff like, you want that, you know, when you are, applying a setting powder, you know, to do highlight, you know, on your face. So for this to look the way that it does, I mean, there's like no like creasing, there's no like, sometimes you can leave like a white tracing or white residue. There's none of that, you guys. It looks amazing. Like, it's like in place how I put it. It is amazing. Like the color, I like the color, honey. I think I said for my skin tone and my, you know, my undertones, everything like that, this shade, the honey, is like so good on my skin tone. Like, I'm actually feeling it right now, you guys. So if I were you, I definitely think it's worth the money. I have so many setting powders, you guys. Banana powders, setting powders, Kylie Jenner, ColourPop. I have drugstore brands, you know, and I can honestly say this is like my new go-to. And I'm probably going to invest into the white translucent setting powder as well, because I mean, for 39 bucks, like, this is amazing. Like, I'm going to wear this all day, you guys. And you guys can actually check me out on Instagram. You go to my Instagram, you guys. I'm going to post a picture today of me wearing, you know, this foundation and everything like that. Oh, wearing the setting powder. I'm sorry. And put it on my Instagram. So make sure you guys go to my Instagram, _Miss Christy M. Check your girl out. Check my face bead out. Because this is flawless. Like, it's not even, I don't know, there's like no words for it. It's like butter at this point. It's like really nice. It's really smooth. There is no cakiness, none of that. So definitely a product that I'm glad I actually invested my money into, because there's some products I'm just like, why did I waste my money on this crap? Like, seriously. So yeah, you guys, I just want to hop on here and do a quick review of this product, because I ordered it. I seen that they came out with something new, and I'm like, I need to check it out. Like, so I'm like, let me do a review on it, you know, on the page, whatever. So yeah, you guys, again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and that bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, you guys. And if you guys, again, want to see different videos, new videos, whatever you guys want to see coming from me, coming from my page, drop it down below in the comments below. I'll be sure to fulfill those videos. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.